Functions review questions 11 and 12. Determine if the equations below represent linear or nonlinear functions. For each linear function, state the slope and the y-intercept. Before we can do anything, we must solve for y first, because if an equation can be written over the form y equals mx plus b, then it will be a linear function. If it cannot be written in the form y equals mx plus b, then it is a nonlinear function. So for question 11, I want to solve for y, so I box my y term. I need to take 4 to the other side using the inverse operation. So I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. I don't line up the negative 20 and the negative 4x because they're not like terms. So that's just a way that I can remind myself I cannot combine them. So I have 2y equals negative 4x minus 20. To isolate the y, I'm going to divide everything by 2. Cancels the 2's. Negative 4 divided by 2 would be negative 2x. Negative 20 divided by 2 is negative 10. So, is this equation written in the form y equals mx plus b? Yes, it is. Therefore, it is a linear function, and the slope is negative 2. The y-intercept is negative 10. It is a linear function with a slope of negative 2, y-intercept of negative 10. Number 12. I want to isolate the y. So to get y by itself, since that's y to the 4th, I need to take the 4th root. So I will take the 4th root of both sides. That would give me y equals the 4th root of x. Because it has a root, that would make this a non-linear function. If it has an exponent, if it would be y equals 2x squared minus 3, because it has that exponent, it would be a non-linear function. In this case, for number 12, it has that root. Therefore, that makes it a non-linear function. So the answer to number 12 is non-linear function. If you have any questions for 11 and 12, please let me know.